Hi guys, welcome to the Fins Prep series of daily quiz. So today we are going to solve the question for the 20th February 2025. So the question was given to us that an investor is considering purchasing an investment that will pay $2,000 per year indefinitely, but the first payment will be received 10 years from today. The required rate of return is 8% per year. So we need to find the present value of this deferred perpetuity. So this question is a concept of deferred perpetuity. So deferred perpetuity means, so it is a series of perpetual cash flows, but this series of perpetual cash flows will not start today. Rather, it will start at some point in the future. So here it says that this perpetuity will start 10 years from today. So the first payment will be received 10 years from today here. So let's draw the timeline. So we are at t is equal to 0 and the first payment would be received at t is equal to 10. So first payment of 200 will be received at t is equal to 10 here. Now the present value of the perpetuity can be computed using Gordon growth model. Now, in this case, it is mentioned that the cash flows will remain same. So what will be the growth? Growth would be 0. So here, the formula that is applicable is this one. So P naught is equal to D1 upon R. But since the cash flows will start from t is equal to 10, so the value that we will get, the present value of this series by applying this formula, we will get this value at P9 here. So here the cash flow started from D1 and the value that we got that was at T0. Here the cash flow start from T10. So the value that we will get that would be at T9. So this will become D10 upon R. So D10 is 200 and R is given as 8% here. So this you can solve. So 200 divided by 0.08. So this will come out to be 2500 here. So now we got the present value of this perpetual cash flow at t is equal to 9. But we need to compute the value at t0. So we need to discount this value till t0 here. So what will be the value here? So P naught would be equal to P9 upon 1 plus R raised to the power 9. So this will become 2500 upon 1 plus 8% raised to the power 9 here. So if we solve this now, so 1.08 raised to the power 9, that is how much? 1.999. So this will become 2000 upon 1.999, which is approximately equal to 2000 upon 2. Sorry, this is 2500. So this will become 2500 by 2. So this is how much? 1250 here. So P naught we will get as 1250. So let's check the options. So here option A, 1250 is the answer. I hope the solution is clear to everyone. Please subscribe and like our page for more such daily quizzes. Thank you. Bye bye.